Hey traders, I hope everyone had a great session yesterday. I sort of wanted to stay up and catch market close, but that would have been, obviously 4 a.m. because I'm in Perth, Australia here, and I would have had a few things to do in the morning as well. So I got about 6 hours sleep. I know some people are getting a lot less and studying more and more and more, but I trend to try and get at least 8 hours sleep. So now I just want to touch upon NEOT, which was moved not too badly in Wednesday's session, and it sort of held things, not too badly pre-market, and then it's sort of basing now around the 130s. So the thing I like about this though is volume. It did sort of peter out later in the day though. Right, volume was at 11.4 million, so not too bad. All right, so we'll get rid of that one. Look, probably not in the watch list to be fair. So this one is TRXC. Again, it's downtrending though. So it did have a bounce of 346. But on my previous watch list, I sort of suggested a bounce of, I can't quite recall if it was 370 odd or so. But it didn't really offer that, and I've now set up my paper trading account here as well. So that's all ready to rock and roll. Short trader, short trader, short trader. Okay, so the real reason why I wanted to fund the account just was because I could have a legitimate, demo account that wouldn't expire. But now I've got stocks to trade. Obviously, I'm paying the monthly subscription fee now, so I think I'm just going to back off short trader for now. And I've actually delved into some extensive reviews and things like that. They have inactivity fees as well. I just don't trade a lot. I'm very picky. I look for breakouts and test of high of day and also dip buys. And, realistically, it's going to be a little difficult. So just with the short trader setup and things like that. So I think what I might do is just wait until I have, a 10 grand account with interactive brokers and just, stick with them. Like I use a big brokerage account with my Forex stuff with Oanda, and I've never had any withdrawal issues or anything like that. Wire transfers, everything's all free. So it's a little frustrating, short trader, where I had to transfer my money to a London, account, and it was in euros, and Aussie dollars to euros are diabolical. So 500 turns into over $800 or so. So I'm really not right now. Like I just don't want to. I'm just not interested. So yeah. Anyway, so this sort of held TRXC. Did it hold the 20-day moving average? Or is it trading below it? About the 5-minute. Look, it's sort of holding. It's below VWAP though, so interesting. I saw ECYT was. This is looking a lot better. Immediately, what I like, just with my sort of trading personality, is seeing this. So I will eventually have to learn to sell. But currently, I'm just sort of focusing on a couple of patterns, and I don't want to overcomplicate things. So this is quite interesting, and it ends quite nicely. Look, I mean, so it closed quite close to its high of that, which what's that? We'll zoom in. We'll go 5 minutes. 5 minutes means it's easier for me. Volume was good too. So the high there was 495, or thereabouts, 494. So what I'd look for here is a breakout play where it just consolidates. If it doesn't make a significant, dip, and a dip down to maybe the 4, even full 30s. Psychologically, though, it's a little bit harder for me with the dip buys, that's all. But we've got a bit of support here at the 440 region. So dip buy off the 440s or a breakout play for ECYT. I'm going to have to wrap things up, guys. I'm going to go to work soon. So I'm working this evening, so I won't really be able to trade. I don't really want to bring the laptop. I mean, this is what if I really wanted to do what I sort of could, but then I'd be running off the mobile data because the work Wi-Fi I've actually tried, and it doesn't really, it limits my connection to stocks to trade. So, and up 12% on the day. So look, what I'd be looking for, guys, is a break of, the 495 sort of high there, or a dip buy off 440. All right, so I'm going to wrap things up. I will try and get the close of market, so I get home at about 1:15 in the morning, and I'll be straight on here, guys, for another video. Thank you for watching. Main watch is ECYT. It's uptrending. It's looking pretty nice. Got some strength. Does it have news? It's not really. Not really. It's just a seeking alpha thing on after hours gainers. So I'll keep this one on the watch, guys. ECYT, potential breakout. Thank you for watching, guys. Happy trading. Bye.